Body movements. Joints. A joint is a place or area where two or more bones meet. Like we have learned before, in our arms we have the upper arm and the forearm. These two are joined by the elbow. So, the elbow is a joint. So now we know that the area is called a joint. Now let us see how the bones are joined together. We have strong, flexible bands of tissue at our joints. These are called ligaments. These help in holding the joint together and allowing movement. At the end of our bones we have a strong and smooth covering. It is called a cartilage. It protects our joints and bones. We have two types of joints in our body, movable and immovable joints. Movable joints. These joints allow movements in different ways. These are also called synovial joints. The joint cavity area is filled with a liquid which helps in movement. Hinge joint. A hinge joint is where movement can be done in one direction only. Example, elbow. Ball and socket joint. This is a joint where the round end of a bone fixes into a cup-like space of the other bone. This allows free movement of the joint. This kind of joint can be found in the hip and the shoulder. Pivot joint. This is a joint where one bone is shaped like a cylinder and the other bone forms a ring around it. This joint allows a rotational movement. Example, the joint at the base of our neck that allows us to move our head from side to side. Immovable joints. These joints don't allow movement or allow very little movement. These are also called fixed joints or fibrous joints. Example, joints in the skull, joints between the teeth and the jawbone.